Hello guys and welcome back to RR Consultancy Services, your daily guide for academic tips and tricks. So today's video is about teaching you how to remove borders from a Word file. So I've already selected a Word file and opened it in MS Word, you can see. And let me scroll down. There is a clear border, right? So I'm going to teach you how to remove that. So first you have to tap on the Design tab right here, which is this. Okay, and look for the page borders option at the right corner of your screen. Now the current selection is box. We have to select the none option, which is right in the above. Tap on it and click OK. Yes. Now you can see the borders have been removed from all the pages. Let me scroll down. Yeah. And scroll up. So clearly the borders have been removed and now you have to save it. So that's how easily you can remove the borders. I hope it was helpful. Bye bye and thanks for watching.